hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing, yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is
Myself, my name is Atoya. I am the wife of Douglas and the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. We have 4 fur babies and 1 scaly baby. I moved and we bought our first house, which is this house, June 13th, 2017. And we have been using this channel to show you the things that we do DIY budgetly, on a budget. Everything on a budget, always on a budget. The way to use your insurance when you have such a thing as a flood in your house. All those things are in house shenanigans. If you go to the playlist, I'm gonna go ahead and click it right here into house shenanigans. We've been through a lot already in this house for the past 6 years next June. So 5.5 years. But we love our house. Hey y'all, and welcome back to DAT Family 5. On today's video, I will be giving you the 12 days, 12 days of Christmas, 12 days of December, whatever, what we're gonna be doing, okay? You'll see this shirt in some of the videos, because I did 2 of the videos today. Today is November 30th. This video is going out December 1st, so this is the first video. And this is the intro video to tell you exactly what we'll be doing for these 12 days. Y'all be black. Y'all work with me because y'all, I'm gonna get this done. I told Doug I want to get this decluttering done. I have some extra stuff I may want to put in there, but we'll see how this goes. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. Day 1 is gonna be the intro video. Hey y'all, which is this video right here. So welcome to 12 days of Christmas. Day 2 and maybe day 3 is the linen closet. No, day 1, day 2 is the Christmas tree. Day 3, maybe 4 is the linen closet. Day 5 will be the bedroom closet. Day 6 again is the foyer. Day 7 and 8 will be the kitchen cabinets, top and bottom. I need to split that up. 7 and 8 day is kitchen cabinets, top and bottom. That's why we're splitting up. Cube organizer is going to be 9. Open pantry is 10. Bathroom cabinets is 11. Sunroom is 12. And if I have any room anywhere, if I end up doing something within 1 day rather than 2 days, we'll be doing the girls' room because they very much need it. Like I need to pull magnets. I need to pull mattresses out and all that above. Like everything needs a wife and mother's touch, if y'all know what I mean. So I need to go ahead and get these things done. School will be ending for this semester on the 19th. I cannot wait. I'm doing well so far. I'm doing well. And this is what we're doing for our 12 days of Christmas. I really hope that y'all have enjoyed this video. My name is Atoya. My wild husband is Douglas. We have 3 children. Rayne, who is 19 on the 17th. Mamie, who is 17. And Ezekia, whom is 12. And we are DAT Family 5. A family that loves life and having fun, giving the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. We will see y'all in the tune. Way too long for me just to tell y'all the 12 days of Christmas of stuff that we're going to be doing. But it's the intro video. And I love you guys, and y'all be blessed.